ElevenLabs just released an AI music generator. Now let's get into some real music. And I want to see if I can actually make money with it. I have basically no talent in music whatsoever. I took guitar when I was in high school for like a week. Oh wait, let's see if I still have it. Nope, that was wrong. Okay, we're not doing that again, and I'm not singing. Yeah, okay, now that you know I suck at playing the guitar, let's go try and make some AI music and see if we the best. So this is the ElevenLabs page here for music. Now, let's check out what some of these beats are happening. Damn, this is AI. Funky Town. I feel like we're gonna drop some beats. They just launched this platform 3 days ago. Now, I already actually use ElevenLabs for my AI voices, and one AI voice that I created brings in $1,200 a month passively. So I thought, well, this is a no-brainer. I'm absolutely going all in on creating some AI music. Now, let's see what we can cook. Okay, I think we got a feel for the music. Now, how do we actually create it? So, looks like down here, number of variants, we're gonna go with 2. Auto, so lyrics or custom or instrumental. I think we want just to play with it and see our first one. Let's leave it on auto and see if we can come up with a sound design for YouTube specifically. So let's go and do that. Let's think about intro music. Let's think about fast transition music, chill music while you're like teaching, and background music, and then outro music. So I think we're gonna wanna make 5 things. I think we're making an album. We're making a YouTube album. Just in. You know what I want to try first is not using AI. I want to handcraft this perfect prompt that's going to be about 5 words long. So let's see. Music, no lyrics. Ooh, here we go. Are we cooking? Wow. Congratulations. You just made the most generic sounding intro ever. Cool. All right. We're going to have to work on our prompting. That was pretty bad. Let's see if it gets any better. Main theme. I'm feeling good here. Let's speed it up. Still trash. Okay. Bridge. Didn't, just got noisier. Closing it out. Close it out strong with the outro. I consulted with my trusty AI named Jarvis. One day you'll meet him, but he is absolutely cooked for us. So he got us exactly what we need. Copy, paste. He told me, electric intro, 30 seconds. Here's the prompt. Give it to him. I said, okay, no problem. Let's do it. All right, don't let me down, Jarvis. Don't let me down. Okay, moment of truth. Let's check it out. That is rave music, Jarvis. Okay. No, that was bad. Let's see. Oh. That was garbage. That was awful. Interesting. I'm going to capture this and take it into Jarvis and tell him, don't do that again. And let's see what he makes next. Whoa. Pause. This is the first good one. Well, it's not great, but hey, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. Pretty much just lo-fi beats. Okay, we cooked. Listen to this. What's up, guys? Okay, introducing Music Marketplace. You can now create, publish, and earn. All right, that sounds good to me. Intro music. Yeah, good enough. Let's go with that. Publish. I've got to find the secret sauce on how to get this perfect. Look at this. You can go in here and start adding and minusing out styles and stuff. Okay, and with that,
another one.
Okay, I think I found the method. Basically, I went through every single style included and excluded style, and then went through the intro, main groove, breakdown, and outro. Now, I'm gonna see how this performs once I update it, but basically with this, I'm thinking I can actually start finding songs that I do like, ask AI about it, train it on this type of input model, and then start fine tuning it and making it so that they actually sound really, really good. Now that's my theory. I'm gonna see if I can actually pull it off. First of all, let's see if this even sounds good after all of these changes and updates. Okay, here is the moment of truth. All right, let's see. Okay, that's a lot better. This is a lot better than the generations that I was getting. Okay, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna keep refining. I think this new method is perfect. I'm gonna go train it and then come back with a banger. Okay, I'm back. It's the next day, and let me tell you, I have amazing news. So we came up with a plan. We vibe coded a website, which is right here, I'm about to show you. And then I thought, what songs do I like? So I went and found some songs that I like, and I was like, let's try and recreate those instrumental tracks, which I'm about to show you how they sound. They're absolutely fire. And then after this, then we're gonna go recreate those inside the music studio, and we're absolutely going to cook. So listen to this, listen to this. That's a beat that you actually want to listen to. Okay, listen to this one, listen to this one. Yeah, we are cooking now. I understand it now, I get it, I get it. I just had to talk to Jarvis. Jarvis, we had to vibe code this, and now we're about to pump all of this into ElevenLabs. Let's go! Okay, so first I'm gonna put this into the text box. I'm gonna go one variant, a minute long for instrumentals, and I don't have any fine tuning yet. So let's first get this. And then after that, we come in here and start messing with the included styles, excluded styles, intro, first drop, beat switch, and then the climax. Honestly, not bad, but we're gonna make it better. Okay, I just finished cooking up this song. I put in everything that needs to be put in. I even changed the duration on some of them. I put in more styles and excluded styles, and I absolutely dialed it in perfect. Now, let's go to our mission control, the music vibe code thing that we created, and see how that sounds, and then how our first generation sounds, and then now how this generation sounds. I haven't listened to this yet, so you and I are going through this together, live. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, now let's listen to what the first variation sounded like. It's not bad, but it's just not perfectly clean. Okay, now fully produced song. Here we go. It's almost too bassy, like something's wrong. Like it's probably this distorted bass. Okay, we're gonna need some refining, but this is a lot better than what we started with, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back again. Sorry this is such a process here, guys, but I'm really trying to dial this in so you learn from me how I'm doing it, and because I'm learning this as well right now, right? And it's like the last iteration that I made, look, I mean, 17 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 3 seconds ago, I finally made a new one. It sounds great. I fixed the bass. I'm learning as I'm going, and now this song I would publish. This is the first song I'm like, wow, this is something I would put in my own videos. So let's take a listen and let's figure out how I fixed this. Okay, so how did I actually fix this? Because the last iteration, I mean, let's be honest, those bass drops were just like, it sounds like the sub was exploding at the bottom of the bass drop. So I found that a tight 808 and a clean mix with a short bass decay was the answer. What does that look like? Well, it says tight 808 up here. So I changed up some of these and a bunch of other little stuff inside here. if you really want to know, then you can join the school and you can ask me inside there. And then since this is such a new platform, I'm gonna release this video right away. And then we're gonna see the results in the next video or later, or actually the first people that are gonna see them are inside the school community. It is free to join right now, so go down below and join. Okay, so I have everything created for our second publication. The other publication doesn't really count because it was just a shitty version. But we generated our little cover and then our title. I was thinking about our title. We want people to click it, have discoverability, and it explain what it is in a very short title. So I went with this. I think this is the best. Let's publish it. And I'm gonna do 5 of these and I'll show you the other 4 when I'm all finished. All right, our track has been successfully published. That's awesome. View published tracks. Oh, yesterday we got 5 interactions. I'll probably delete this because it's so trash. How do I even listen to it? View in marketplace. All right, let's listen to our first track versus our track that we just made. That's very corporate. Now let's get into some real music. Yeah, we are cooking. We're cooking. Okay, I have all of the songs finished. Now, you're only allowed to publish 5 every 24 hours. So I was actually gonna try and make another one, but it didn't let me. So these are all published now. I do have to wait to see if I get any sales from these. The first one to know is going to be in the school community. I'm gonna put how much I made from these in there. So if you wanna join, it's in the link in the description. And then also under the comments here, I'm gonna come back in 7 days and then give you kind of the breakdown later, but you're probably dying to hear some of the music. So I'm gonna play a couple, just short little snippets. And yeah, let's check it out. All right, let's move on to the next song. We got Velvet Keys. Midnight Flute. This one's good. And then for the last one, I'm pretty sure you guys already heard this one, but I'll play it one more time. Oh, look at this. We got 9 interactions and 7 interactions. Cool. Yo, okay, it's the next day. It's a little bit late at night. So it's been just over 24 hours-ish, I believe. And we have 8 sales already. Granted, it's $3.88, but getting a calculator out, if we did that every day, 3.88 times 30, it's 116 bucks a month passively on this one account. And that's only, well, I published some more today, well, right now. Oh, I guess so it's, yeah, just over 24 hours, yeah. This can publish a lot of songs on one account, so yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna keep this going and I'll let you guys know. Okay, that is all of the song generations that I made. Thank you for sticking around. Subscribe to learn some more about AI. I got a ton of awesome videos on the way. Join the school community. I'll see you guys inside there. Thanks so much. Peace out.